Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the environment stable. Update your GPU drivers and force SFM to use the dedicated GPU. Once done, run SFM as administrator and close overlays that inject frames. Next, open the render settings and note values so you can revert if needed. Then disable real-time overlays and set a consistent refresh rate. These steps remove external causes of flicker, so the remaining troubleshooting targets SFM internals directly. Now you change the engine level options to isolate the problem. Switch the render API if available and test. Some flicker comes from API incompatibilities. Reduce shadow map resolution, turn off SSOW, and disable motion blur and depth of field because they composite frames and can create black flashes. Also toggle threaded optimization and VSync to see if timing is the culprit. Make one change, render a short clip, and observe. This disciplined approach reveals the offending setting quickly. Finish by testing a minimal scene, a single light and model. Once done, re-enable features one at a time until flicker returns, which tells you the exact trigger. If the problem persists, inspect materials and textures for missing shaders and rebuild lighting caches or delete the shader cache so SFM regenerates them. Make sure to save a clean config backup. If nothing works, capture engine logs and test with a fresh SFM install. That log plus the minimal repro is the fastest path to a fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.